Hi there. The issue of SSR is something which every Indian should be knowing, and it is the responsibility of both the government and the media to educate every Indian about the SSR issue and the importance of it in today's times. But unfortunately, neither of the mainstream media is really bothered about SSR. Oh, in case if you're wondering that you have all the information that is beyond your need and information that is being thrown at you every day by the local media as well as the national media, let me tell you something. I'm not here to talk about the SSR issue pertaining to the Bollywood industry or for the celebrity circles, but I'm here to talk about the SSR, the stay safe routines that every Indian should follow now that the government has given its go ahead to open cinema theaters and all the other public places under the Unlock 5. So, what is it that could be done in order to prevent contracting the COVID 19 in the first place? The first of the stay safe routines would be the use of double mask, or to simply put it, using two masks at the same time. The first mask or the primary mask would be the N95, which you could use as the primary mask to cover your mouth and nose. And you can then use a secondary mask in the form of a disposable surgical mask to add on to the primary mask. So, how do you use it? It's rather simple. Just put on your N95 mask and then use the surgical mask to cover the N95. Now, why is it essential? It's rather simple to understand. Let's say the air around me or a person with COVID is in close proximity to me. So the surgical mask here will decrease the viral load that the N95 has to filter. By doing so, the surgical mask is not just increasing the filtration capacity of the N95, but it is also increasing the life of the N95 so that I can use it on multiple times or for a longer duration. The second one would be of the stay safe rituals or the stay safe routine would be to use the face shield. Now remember, face shield is not an alternative to the use of masks. What the shield actually does is it will simply cover the masks and it will not let COVID enter the mask space in the first place. Let's say someone sneezes next to you or coughs in front of you. So these are the two things which, if practiced, can have very good yield or very good result. And I have personally tried it myself, and I have remained COVID free even the office have contaminated or contacted the disease. Through this video, I hope I was able to share my extra precautions that I'm taking whenever I'm at any public space or in my office. I hope I was able to provide something new to you. If you already know this and if you're already following, a very big thumbs up for you. I also request you to kindly share this video with as many people as possible because COVID-19 is a communicable disease and it's a community disease. So we are as safe as our community is. So let's join hands and fight and defeat this COVID-19.